Mom's a dentist? Yeah, my friend down here is a dentist in Hollywood.
She does attend like lessons every other year. I think the dental board makes you take lessons.
Lessons or exams?
Lessons.
Lessons? Oh.
You get to attend like some conferences and take lessons.
Oh yeah, that's always going on.
Air Canada a le plaisir de vous offrir un environnement sans fumée à bord de tous ses avions.
It's a bitch to get like the healthcare companies. Yeah, you have to get them to pay you basically, and sometimes the process is very frustrating. You have to call like
you gotta keep chasing them down.
Yeah, and like sometimes they'll say this thing isn't covered by their dental, this is a medical insurance thing, and you have to call them out of it.
If there is a need to evacuate, a floor-mounted photoluminescent lighting system will guide you to the nearest emergency exit.
Basically, if you're opening a drink firm, you need emergency carriers to handle this thing.
Remain seated. Remove the mask from the plastic retainer and pull the mask toward you. Use the support strap to hold the mask over your mouth and nose. Adjust your mask. Breathe normally.
Si la pression de la cabine change en cours de vol,
How long has your mom been in practice for?
automatiquement de ballon. Restez assis. Retirez le masque du dispositif de retenue en
She
plastique.
graduated college in China.
Servez-vous de la bande élastique pour maintenir sur votre nez et votre bouche. Ajustez votre masque. Respirez normalement. Mettez toujours votre masque avant d'être quelqu'un.
Always secure your own mask before assisting another
Fucking
person.
genius or something.
Merci
Yeah,
d'avoir
it's like
choisi
when I
Air
was your
Canada.
age, you
Votre
know, I was already
sécurité est notre priorité.
doing this and this. I'm like,
Nous souhaitons
I
un agréable vol.
can't
Thank
graduate
you for
college at
choosing
16.
Air
Are you
Canada.
crazy?
It's a totally
Your safety is our
different
top
era right now.
priority.
Yeah, it's a totally.
We hope you enjoy the
I mean, they won't even allow that.
Yeah.
I guess they will allow it if you're a genius, but skipping grades like crazy.
Yeah, no, but you'd rather go with the pace. I mean, I'd rather go with the pace. Yeah, I had a lot of Asians at my university, University of British Columbia in Vancouver. Like a lot of them.
Oh yeah, they all want to be in medicine or
not just medicine. All my sciences, whatever.
Whatever, yes, science.
Or even engineering for that matter.
Shanghai's like New York times 20, basically.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
In terms of what?
In terms of everything.
Wow. I would like to visit China someday.
It's very modern. I mean, it's very crowded.
Well, yeah. I mean, yeah. I go to India all the time. Well, not all the time, but I was born there.
I want to go to India just for the
definitely like to. I've just visited Hong Kong. I don't know if you want to call that China, but I want to.
Hong Kong's more Hong Kong's probably more modernized than even Shanghai, I guess.
Yeah.
It's also really expensive.
So I would also like to do like the rural China.
Rural China?
Yeah, not just the cities.
No, you don't want to do rural China. Go to rural Japan. It's a lot better.
Been there. Yeah, I was in Japan for about a year. About a month. That was good.
Japan's nice.
Japan's nice. Yeah. Well, that was a long time ago though, back in 2003. So I don't know if it's changed now or what.
Rural China's just really hard to navigate. You might get lost.
Attention flight attendants, take positions for takeoff.
More than likely, though, if they see you're a foreigner, they might just knife you and take your money.
Is it that bad?
It's
What?
yeah.
Is language a problem there, like it is in Japan?
No, but you don't get that many foreigners in China. At least not as much as, some of the other countries.
Right.
Maybe now you do, but it's still like a novelty if they see like a foreigner.
But the crime is pretty up there, you would say, for certain areas?
If you're a foreigner and you're gonna go to a rural area and they see you as a foreigner, they're gonna think, okay, you have money.
Right.
So so they're just gonna try to take your money basically. I mean, yes, it is that bad.
Oh, wow, I didn't know that. I thought China was pretty like, it would be one of the easier countries, safer countries to visit. Oh, wow.
Depends.
Wow. Yeah, because I want to do...
If you even go to a slightly modern city in China, yeah, but if you go to the rural area, probably not.
Yeah,
you still got farmers shitting on their crops to fertilize it. So, I mean...
Alright. Well, that doesn't bother me, but the knifing part does kind of a little bit.
Yeah, you're getting robbed. That's way.
Well, that's everywhere, I guess. Any country you go to. Yeah, I want to like go visit all the harder countries, so to say, harder to
harder
get
countries?
around. Yeah, like
you mean like the Middle
Latin
East?
America or something. I want to get them done like now while I'm young, and then go do like Europe and the easier stuff later on, Australia and all. I love to travel.
You want to do Europe when you're older?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Europe, yeah. I did Europe when I was in high school. I don't think I fully enjoyed it.
All of it, or?
Most. Got France, Spain, England, Germany.
Oh wow.
Where
I
else?
just met a chick at Starbucks earlier here in the terminal, and she's returning home to Toronto after 8 months of work travel, and I was like, wow.
8 months?
8 months she's been traveling for the last 8 months.
Nice.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, I want to do that if I get the time and money.
I wouldn't mind, but that's 8 months you spend. I don't know. Some people say traveling is an experience.
Yeah, but that would be something, right?
It's something, but you don't really learn too much.
I don't know. I would like to do it.
That this is a non-smoking flight. For your safety, the washrooms are fitted with a smoke detector. On today's flight, we will be offering you a bar refreshment service, including tea, coffee, juice, and soft drinks. All group refreshments as beer, wine, and spirits are available, and we actually accept all major credit cards. This will be joined with our in-flight cafe, which includes a variety of products for all tastes. You may see the full menu, which is located in the seat pocket in front of you. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to let one of us know. And at this point in time, we'll ask you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight on Air Canada.
Mesdames et messieurs, nous recommandons de garder votre ceinture de sécurité bouclée lorsque vous êtes assis à votre siège. Désirons vous rappeler que ce vol est un vol non fumeur. Pour votre sécurité, les salles de toilettes sont munies d'un détecteur de fumée. Sur ce vol aujourd'hui, nous offrirons un service de bar rafraîchissement, thé, café chaud et boissons gazeuses. Les boissons alcoolisées sont disponibles et vous pourrez en procurer au moyen de votre carte de crédit. Ceci sera accompagné de notre café en vol, des variétés de produits pour tous les goûts. Vous pouvez vérifier la liste complète du menu qui se trouve dans la pochette siège devant vous. S'il y a quelque chose que nous pouvons faire pour rendre votre vol plus agréable, n'hésitez pas à vous adresser à l'une de nous et nous souhaitons une excellente envolée sur Air Canada.